Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing pizza at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So to a large bowl, I will go in and add my flour, and then I'm gonna go in and add my salt. Please note, I will not be adding any yeast or any baking powder to this amazing recipe. Once I added the salt and the flour, I will just combine both of them together because you always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined and evenly distributed. Once it is combined nicely, I will start adding the water to form my dough. Please note I am using cold water. So a few days ago, I made an amazing recipe for you guys. I show you how to make butter dumpling. And guys, it is the same procedure. It is the same dough that we're going to use to make our pizza. So you can always go ahead and check out how to make butter dumpling. And guys, it is amazing. All right. So once our dough comes together nicely, I will just go ahead and cover it and leave it for roughly about 10 minutes and allow my dough to rest. You don't want to overwork your dough and you don't want your dough to be too tough. If it is a little bit soft, it is okay. As it regards to the meat, you can always go ahead and use shrimp, you can use chicken, you can use anything that you have at home. If you don't want to use meat, you can always go ahead and add mushroom to your pizza. All right? It's up to you what you want to add. So after my dough is all rested, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some flour over it just to get rid of some of that stickiness. And then I'm going to divide it into 2 halves. Once my dough is divided, I will go ahead and start rolling out my dough. So if you guys don't have a rolling pin at home, but you have a wine bottle, or if you have a rum bottle, you can always go ahead and use it to roll out your dough. I went ahead already put on my frying pot on the stove. I added my butter and then I will allow it to just melt, and then I'm going to add the dough and allow it to cook for roughly about a minute or 2 on both sides, but we don't want it to be fully cooked. So again, as I said, the same dough that I used to make my butter dumpling, the same procedure, it is the same thing that we're going to be doing here. So you can always go ahead and check that out. I will leave the link in the description box. So you guys can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you like on your pizza, what kind of meat you like to add. If you're a vegetarian, if you like shrimp, if you like lobster, if you like chicken, pepperoni, just let me know in the comment section. And you can always let me know what you think about this amazing pizza. It's very easy, very simple. And as I said, you can always go ahead and just follow along and see what I did. All right, so this is it, guys. After I added it to the frying pot with the oil, as you can see, it's nicely done, not fully cooked though. So what you want to do, you just want to go ahead and add the dough on a flat surface, and then I'm gonna go in and add my pizza sauce. Now you can get the pizza sauce at any supermarket. If you want, you can always go ahead and make your own pizza sauce. I am going to make a video showing you guys how to make pizza sauce, but you can always go ahead and buy yours for now. Once you add the pizza sauce to the dough, you make sure that you put it all over. You want it to be all over the dough. All right? So try to ensure that it gets all over that dough. And I also went ahead and preheat my oven at 250 degrees. So once I added the pizza sauce all over the dough, I will go in and add my cheese. And it's up to you how much cheese you want to add to your pizza. I'm going to add a lot of cheese to mine. But if you're not a cheese person and you don't want a lot, you can always go ahead and use any amount that you want. And for me, you guys can use any cheese of your choice. You know, they have different kind of cheese in the supermarket. You can always go ahead and choose the one that you like. I will also go ahead and add my onion and of course my bell pepper. Now, if you have the purple onion or if you have the other color bell peppers, you can always go ahead and add them. If you don't want to add one meat, you can always go ahead and add 2 meat. If you want to add some pineapples, you can always go ahead and do so. Listen, guys, you have to be creative in the kitchen, you know. You have to be you in the kitchen and just use what you have at home. As I always say, if you don't have something, just substitute. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp, of course. And you want to ensure that you add shrimp all over. And then I'm going to go in and add some more cheese on top and put it in the oven for roughly about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I will come back and show you guys what the pizza looks like. So as you can see, it's coming along quite fine. And as I said, if you're not a cheese lover, you don't have to add any more cheese. Or you can always go ahead and add any amount of cheese that you like. And if you want to add another meat, as I said, you can always go ahead and do so. So you can always let me know in the comment section if you would add more cheese or if you'd add another meat, if you'd add lobster or what you would add to this again. So it's looking all lovely and nice. All right, so pop that in the oven. All right, guys, so after 20 minutes, this is what my pizza looks like. Looking all lovely and nice. So we're going to put it on the cutting board. And of course, we're going to go ahead and slice it up while it's hot. And remember, you're not supposed to serve pizza cold. And unless you're going to serve it to kids, you know, you can give them cold. But, you know, we want our pizza to be warm and nice. So we're gonna serve it up, of course, and we're gonna slice into it, and I will show you guys what it looks like. And basically this is the final product. So you can always go ahead and serve this up to the entire family. You can make it on a Saturday afternoon, Friday, whichever day you want, and perfect for you. So basically this is it. As I said, remember to serve it up hot. All right, so guys, this is the final product of my amazing pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Remember to go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients used today, and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. Guys, we are almost at 8K subscribers. Continue to share, continue to subscribe, and like and comment and tell your friends about Callie J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.